In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change voice and accent of Siri on iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Changing the voice and accent of Siri on iPhone 15 allows users to personalize their virtual assistant experience, making interactions more enjoyable and relatable based on individual preferences or cultural connections. Additionally, it enhances inclusivity by offering a diverse range of voices and accents. If you're eager to give Siri a fresh vocal vibe, changing its voice and accent is a breeze. Just navigate to the settings on your device. And once there, seek out the Siri search option. Within the Siri search menu, locate and tap on the Siri voice option. This will usher you into a world of voice customization. Upon entering the Siri voice settings, you'll encounter a tantalizing array of accents to choose from. Options include American, Australian, British, Indian, Irish, and South African, among others. Peruse the list and pick the accent that resonates with you. Whether it's the charm of a British accent or the warmth of an Australian one, the choice is yours. Once you've settled on an accent, delve further by selecting a specific voice within that accent. For instance, if you opt for a British accent, you'll be presented with a delightful selection of 4 distinct voices. Once you've found the voice that captures your preference, simply confirm your selection. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed Siri's vocal identity. If you're feeling adventurous and want Siri to speak a different language, it's just as straightforward. Return to the Siri search menu. Select Language instead, and choose the language you desire. Now, not only can you tweak Siri's accent and voice, but you also have the power to switch up its linguistic repertoire. Enjoy the personalized Siri experience. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.